Let me tell you something that changed the way I think about money. I was reviewing the investment portfolio of a Nigerian company, not a huge one, a mid-sized firm you've probably never heard of. And buried in their financial statements, I found something that wowed me. Their core business is very simple, but their investment income over 80 million naira every single month. They were not trading stocks, they weren't investing in crypto or forex, they weren't flipping lands in Lagos. Instead, they were doing something so unattractive, so quiet, that most people scroll right past it when they see it in a balance sheet. And here is the thing, you can do a version of exactly what they're doing today with whatever you have right now. Whether you're in Lagos, Abuja, London, or Houston, this works. My name is Anne. I am a chartered accountant with over a decade of experience in both the banking and insurance sectors, who is very passionate about helping Nigerians, both home and abroad, to take better control of their finances so they can enjoy financial freedom and retire comfortably. If that sounds like what you are interested in, then you're welcome. Click the subscribe button and join the wealth building family here. In this video, I'm going to show you the real investment playbook of wealthy Nigerians, not the flashy version, the one that actually builds generational wealth. I will also show you how to start it yourself, even if you're beginning with 500,000 naira or is equivalent in pounds or dollars. Stay with me. This is one of the most practical things I've ever put on this channel. I want to start by asking you something honest. How much of your money is actually working right now? Not sitting in a bank account earning 5% while inflation runs at 15%, not locked in a stock you bought on a tip that you have been hoping will recover for the past couple of months, but actually working for you. Don't answer yet. Think about it. Because if you're honest, most of us, myself included at an earlier stage, had money that was theoretically invested but practically idle. What I'm about to show you is the architecture wealthy Nigerians use to make sure that never happens. Let's be real about the average Nigerian investor's playbook. Whether you're at home or in the diaspora, you hear about a hot stock on Twitter, you buy it, you watch it for 3 weeks, it goes down, you panic, you hold, it goes down more, you eventually sell at a loss or don't sell and just keep looking at your portfolio. Or maybe you bought crypto during the last bull run, watched it 3x, felt like a genius, then watched it give back everything. Or you're in the diaspora sending money home and thinking, I should be doing something smarter with this money, but you don't know where to start and nobody around you is talking about Nigerian investments. None of that is your fault. You were never taught the first principle of wealth building, and it's this: before you chase growth, you build cash flow. Cash flow first, capital gains second. Now let me show you what that machine actually looks like. The wealthy in Nigeria, individuals and companies, tend to build their investment in 3 distinct layers. I call it the 3-layer wealth stack. Layer 1, the foundation, fixed income, this is the cash flow. Layer 2, the builder, dividend stocks for compounding income. Layer 3, the accelerator, growth stocks for long-term potential. Most retail investors try to start at layer 3. They want the growth, they want the 10x, but without layer 1, every setback in layer 3 feels catastrophic because you have no safety net beneath you. Layer 1 is built from fixed income instruments. In Nigeria, the main ones are FGN Bonds. These are long-term debt issued by the federal government. You lend the government money, they pay you back with interest over a defined period, currently offering rates that at certain tenors outpace inflation. Treasury Bills. These are short-term government instruments, typically 91, 182, or 364 days. You buy at a discount and receive the full face value at maturity. The difference is your return. Commercial papers. These are short-term debt from large Nigerian corporations. Slightly higher risks than government-backed, but often higher yield. Fixed deposits, the most accessible. You place a lump sum with a bank for a fixed term at a predetermined rate. What makes this powerful is not the individual return, it's the predictability. You know exactly what's coming in and when, and that certainty changes how you think about money. The laddering strategy is how wealthy Nigerians make money monthly. Here is where it gets clever. Instead of putting all your capital into one instrument at one time, you stagger your investments so that they mature at different points. Imagine you have 3 million, you split it into 3 equal parts and invest each one in a quarterly instrument. One in January, one in February, and one in March. In April, January's investment matures. Money arrives, you invest it immediately. By May, February's matures, money arrives, you reinvest. In June, that of March drops, and so it continues. Month after month, you have cash arriving, compounding, and being redeployed. This is called bond laddering and is the single most underused strategy among individual investors in Nigeria. At 500,000 naira, you can build a version of this. At 10 million, it starts to feel meaningful. At 500 million, you're getting closer to becoming the firm I mentioned at the start of this video. Layer 2, dividend stocks, your builder. Once your layer 1 is generating consistent income, you don't touch the principal. Instead, you take the interest and deploy it into layer 2. Layer 2 is dividend paying stocks in Nigeria. That means companies like GT Bank, Zenith Bank, Dangote Cement, businesses with a consistent history of paying dividends. You're not buying these hoping that they will go up 50%. You're buying them because they put money in your account regularly. Now you have 2 income streams, and here's what matters. Neither of them required you to be right about a stock or predict the markets. Layer 3, growth assets, your accelerator. By this point, your foundation is solid, your builder is generating secondary income. Now you allocate a portion to layer 3, higher risk, higher reward instruments. This might be growth stocks, real estate, a business venture, or yes, even selected crypto positions. The difference is that you're no longer gambling with money you can't afford to lose. You're deploying excess returns from a system that has your back. The beauty of this structure, if layer 3 goes to 0, and sometimes it does, your lifestyle doesn't change. Your cash flow is intact. Your compounding continues. That is the definition of investing from a position of strength. Now, if you're watching this from the UK, the US, Canada, or anywhere outside Nigeria, I want to speak to you directly for a moment. You can absolutely implement this strategy, and in some ways, you are in a stronger position to do so. Here is how. You can access Nigerian FGN Bonds and T-bills through platforms like Stanbic IBTC, AfriInvest, ARM, or other select fintech apps. You can invest in Eurobonds. These are dollar-denominated bonds issued by the Nigerian government. This protects you from naira devaluation risks while still giving you exposure to Nigerian yield. For your foreign currency layer, you can run a similar laddering approach in your country of residence. You can use money market funds or even high-yield savings accounts before moving into equities and growth assets. Here is the truth that took me a while to internalize. Wealth is not built by picking the right stock. It is not built by timing the market, catching the right crypto cycle, or getting lucky with land in the right location. Wealth is built by creating a system where your money is always deployed, always earning, always working, even while you are asleep, even when markets are volatile, even when life gets complicated, even when there is a war. The companies and individuals doing this in Nigeria didn't stumble upon it. They made a deliberate decision to prioritize predictability over excitement, cash flow over hope. Is it boring? Absolutely. Is it effective? Ask the firms earning over 80 million naira a month while most people are still looking for the next hot tip. If this video helped you see your money differently, please give it a like. It genuinely helps the channel reach more Nigerians who need a clearer, calmer approach to building wealth. And subscribe to Finance with Anne if you haven't already done so. Every week, I break down real money strategy, no jargon, just what actually works. Thank you for watching. Your money deserves a plan, and now you have one. One honest note: Nigeria Naira denominated instruments carry currency risks. If the Naira depreciates significantly against the pound or dollar, your returns in foreign currency terms can be eroded. This is why diversification across currencies matters for diaspora investors. It's something you need to consider in detail. I covered this in more depth in my one-on-one consultations because it really does depend on your personal situation, your risk appetite, and your long-term goal. If that's something you need help with, the link to book your session is in the description. I will also add it in the comment section. The beautiful thing about this strategy is that the entry point is lower than you think. You don't need 500 million, you need 500,000. A clear, consistent strategy to keep adding more as you earn, and the discipline to not touch the principal. That's it. That's the whole secret. 2 ways to go deeper. Join my free Telegram community to enjoy honest discussions about investing and have your general questions answered. Link is in the description. Please, when you join the group and someone comes into your DM pretending to be me, report and block them immediately. All conversations will happen openly in the group. 2, book a one-on-one consultation. If you want a personalized investment plan built around your income, your currency exposure, and your goals, whether you're home or abroad, I work with a limited number of clients each month. Details in the description and comment section. I'm looking forward to working with you. Until I see you in my next video, keep dreaming big and keep working hard towards your dreams. I'm rooting for you. Bye for now.